To access the profitability report, go to the Inventory section and click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. In the profitability report, you can run separate reports on your profit margin, your cost of goods sold, historical prices and costs of products, and the total cost of inventory. You can view your profit margin as a percentage or as a currency value. You can break this report down by products or categories. That way you can select specific products or specific categories for which you want to view this report. You can expand the product window to get a larger view of your products and categories and also search for specific products. You can further break this report down by employees or by locations where the sales were processed. By default, you will be shown the last 7 days from today, but you can change this date range to any custom range. To change this date range, you have to click anywhere on the date field. Instead of a custom range, you can use one of the quick date ranges on the left side like yesterday or last 30 days. Here we're going to do a completely custom date range. In this section, we'll be selecting the start time and date, and in this section, the end time and date. You can choose different visualizations for this report. You can run this as a table, which we're looking at right now, or you can change this to a line or a bar chart. The line and bar chart visualizations can be used when you're also breaking this report down daily, weekly, or monthly to see the evolution of your profit margin over time. Your cost of goods sold report can be viewed as the average cost of goods sold till date or average price of the goods sold till date for your individual products. You can break this down by locations. Most recent metrics report will show you the last purchase order cost or the last selling price of specific products. The total cost of inventory report will show you the value of products you have in your inventory. You can view your overall cost or broken down by products or by categories. If you have any questions about the profitability report, please contact us by chat, phone, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.